fast, fair. Fox Toledo News, First at 4, starts right now.
First at 4, it's been days since Fox Toledo first told you about the controversy over parking tickets issued by a city worker. Now Toledo is making national news for something many feel is an embarrassment to the city. Michelle Zepeda has been following this story and is live now with the latest.
Well, we're continuing to learn new information about the parking tickets issued by the commissioner of the Streets, Bridges, and Harbor Division. The mayor's office says Sue Frederick, who issued the tickets, went to the 400 block of Holland, Sylvania, after a citizen complained about how some of the residents were parking their cars. It may have been a response by the city after a resident's complaint, but Councilman D. Michael Collins, whose district this happened in, says it was an abuse of power.
This ticket was never defined, nor the authority to give this ticket was never defined by City Council to allow an employee of the City of Toledo to walk into private property and execute citations.
But that's what some say Frederick did, walking onto private property to ticket their cars for being parked in a turnaround off the driveway, which is unpaved. The city passed an ordinance back in 1991 that required vehicles on private property to be parked on paved drives. But many that live here say they've never had a problem.
A quiet little old man, never raised any cane with anybody, hardly, and I got a gift.
As for who wrote the ticket, Collins says back in 2007, City Council did give workers of the Street, Bridges, and Harbor Division power to write tickets, but on city streets. It was meant to be a time saver so police didn't have to be called out to ticket cars that needed to be moved for street sweepers or snow removal. The mayor says these tickets are valid and have to be paid.
If they broke the law, that's why you write a ticket.
Dealing in the environment that we live in the city of Toledo, with the titular head of this community, one being Carlton S. Finkbeiner, he's never wrong. And those who worship him, it's like the movie One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, they find an attraction and an affinity for one another.
Collins collected his constituents' tickets yesterday and says he'll hold on to them and will pay them if he has to. He said the residents can't even appeal the tickets because the board that the complaints would go through no longer exists. The city also denies that this was a way to collect money to help with the city's budget deficit. Reporting live, Michelle Zepeda, Fox Toledo News, First at 4.
All right, thank you, Michelle. Well, we want to know what you think. So just log on to foxtoledo.com, and there you can read all of our stories on this Toledo ticket fight. You can also post your comments there. Of course, you could also sound off on the subject on our Facebook page along with Twitter.